Good job, self. Naging successful ka because you work on yourself. Yes, working student ka nung college ka. From first year to fourth year, nag-work ka as a waiter. Then sa evening, nag-aral ka. As a result, natapos mo yung college education mo. Then nag-apply ka sa government office and natanggap ka as government employee. As of today, 28 years ka na sa government office. Then, nag-part-time college professor ka, nagturo ka ng business subjects like marketing, management, and professional salesmanship. After that, naging business owner ka ng mga small businesses like sports business, tables and chairs rentals, and space rentals. Then, business coach, content creator dito sa YouTube, and recently, 2 years ago, naging chess club owner ka. Two thumbs up, self. Continue learning and improving. And don't forget to pray to God and help other people.